The basic version of chicken piccata is surprisingly simple. For the sauce, you will need maybe about a teaspoon and a half worth of capers, gently crushed with a fork, about half an inch of butter, unsalted, and half of a lemon squeezed. Let's just remove the seeds. Then just turn on the heat and wait until the butter melts. No longer than that. That should be enough for now. Meanwhile, you can start preparing the chicken. Just remove some of the fat. And slice once. I do understand that in most cases, chicken piccata is done with chicken breasts, but I like mine a little bit fattier. So I use thighs instead. Roll the chicken in a little bit of flour. And start oiling up the main pan. The oil layer does not have to be thick. When ready, start adding the chicken. And brown on both sides for about 2 minutes each. At this point, turn down the heat to medium add the sauce that you prepared. Along with a little bit of chicken stock, unsalted. And cover. Check frequently until the sauce starts to thicken. Then it will be ready. That should do it. I recommend serving this with potatoes. I like my mashed potatoes, but it can be served with pasta as well. Leftovers can be frozen, but please, as with all chicken, reheat them over the stove and not in the microwave. You can also add the other half of the lemon at this point. Jó étvágyat!